everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a redo of a get ready with me that I did the other night when the hubster and I went out for date night. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Okay, the hubster and I went out to dinner the other night, and I did a look using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. Yay! And I thought I'd recreate the look because I thought it was really good. So this is going to be like a little get ready with me type thing, but I'm also going to show swatches of the palette too. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I absolutely love this. I'm also going to show swatches too while I do the rest of my face after I do my right eye. So let's get into this. I have my base down already. I'm getting ready to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion. As you guys know, this is my favorite eye primer, well, one of them, because I like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eye primer too. Make sure that gets all nice and in there. Alright, please pardon my brows, they are doing their own thing today. Alright, now with my AOA Studio E129 brush, I am going to dip into, I keep digging my finger in it, in this shade right here, Vanilla Creme, and set my base down with it. I just absolutely love this palette. I love Christian Dominique. She is such an awesome YouTuber. She's so, like, she's not like in your face and all like, ah! You know, like some of the bigger YouTubers are. She's really down to earth and really, you know, I just can't describe her. She's just awesome. But, yeah. I am so excited for her to have her palette in Ulta. That is amazing. To be a beauty guru and have your palette with your name on it in Ulta is huge. That's amazing. Okay. Moving on. Eyes are primed and based. For my transition color, I am going to go in with the shade Caramel right here. Do you guys say caramel or caramel? I always say caramel. I don't know why. But I'm going to go in with that. This brush right here is from BH Cosmetics. It doesn't have a number on it. It's in their, it's a set called the Pink and Black set. I've had it since I started getting back into makeup. And, I actually just got rid of the set because it was starting to get a little scratchy from washing them so much. But I kept this brush because I love this brush. Then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics V5 blending brush and I'm just going to blend this out. I kept the eye as neutral as possible with the pop of color on the lower lash line, because you guys know that's been my thing lately, is a pop of color on the lower lash line. Okay, cool. The sun may be coming up because it is 6 o'clock in the morning. What do you do when you can't sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning? You film a video. Alright, so our transition is set. I want to go into this shade right here, Hazelnut, and put that in the crease to deepen it up. Excuse me. these shades are so okay. So that's what we got going on so far. It looks really good. I'm absolutely loving it. Now I am going to go in with the darker shade Mocha and just kind of deepen it up a little bit. Not too much. I don't want too much of a, I don't want it to be too dark. I don't want the dark shades to be the start of the show. Okay, cool. I'm going to put some Tarte Shape Tape down and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. I just took my AOA Studio E131 brush and some Tarte Shape Tape and just put it down on my lid. This is what I have been liking lately, is just having my lid full of shimmer. I don't know why, I just have. So now I am going to go into this shade right here, Espresso, not Espresso, Espresso, and put it on my lid. Now I'm going to go back in with my Wet n Wild blending brush with no extra pigment and just kind of blend those together. Perfect. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Now it's time to do some liner. I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Dominatrix for my lid liner, because this shimmer shade is a little bit too dark to use a shadow. Okay. Now for mascara. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Maneater, my favorite mascara ever. I love this mascara. Look at the difference. Oh, I love it. Okay. Now for the lower lash line. For the waterline, of course, you know, I'm going to put in my Papa Blue in. For my waterline, I'm going to use the NYX Eye and Eyebrow Pencil in Satin Blue. Ooh, I need to sharpen this. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Some people, they like to stick a lighter underneath their liner. I don't. I just warm it up on my hand. It works just the same. Cool. All right, now I am going to take my AOA Studio E134. It's just like a little pointed, as you can see, I've used blue on it already, little pointed brush, and in the shade Cold Brew, put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to finish everything up. While I'm doing that, I'm going to roll out the swatches. So here they are. And I'm back. This is what we got going on so far. I really love the eye look. The swatches are great. I'm telling you, you guys need to go pick this up. You can get it at, I believe the site is DominiqueCosmetics.com, and you can get it on Ulta's site. It is not in stores. You can only get it online. And I believe the price is $42, I believe. And the packaging is just so gorgeous too. I mean, it's like got this etched, like, rose gold design, and I'm telling you, you guys need to get this. You can make so many looks out of this, and she knocked it out of the park for her first palette. I did use Macchiato for my inner corner and my brow bone, and it's just, oh, I know she's got another palette coming out, the lemonade palette, and I can't wait to see that. That's gonna be great. All right, I did not put my highlighter on. I did do my bronze with the butter bronzer, butter bronzer, and I did my blush with the Pretty Vulgar Hush blush that I got in my BoxyCharm box. I actually really like it. It's really soft and subtle, and it just gives me a nice, what's the term I'm looking for? Nice flush of color. That's it. But for highlighter, I want to go into my Gerard Cosmetics Starlit palette, and in the shade Grace, just pack it on because you guys know. And I'm using my SL Miss Glam, this is the SL41 blusher brush. You can use it basically for blush or bronzer or highlighter. I use it for highlight. I'm going to take my Kiss Assist off. I am going to put a link down below for the set of brushes that I used from Shop Miss A. It's not an affiliate link. I don't earn any money off of it whatsoever. I just think it's a really good brush set, and it goes for a really great cause. It's called the Paw Paw Charity Program. And, ooh. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm using a new lipstick and she forgot to put the stopper in it. So, yeah, I had to like kind of clean that up. I am using the Rebel Rouge Labs Immortal Mattes in Torment. This is, one of my favorite indie brands ever. So, but yeah, as I was saying, it is part of the program called the Paw Paw Charity Program. And it is great. You get 10 brushes for $10.55, and they are amazing. So I will put that link down below. Like I said, it's not an affiliate link. I will not earn any money at all whatsoever. So pretty. How gorgeous is this lip color? How gorgeous is this? It is so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is the look I made the other night when I went to dinner with the hubster and we had a nice little date night. I love it. It's got like the pop of color with the blue. It pairs perfectly with the lip. It's just, I really love this look. The palette just is amazing. And for those who are asking for my liner, I always use the e.l.f. angled eyeliner brushes. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! Am I the only one who hates drinking coffee after you brush your teeth because they still stain your teeth anyways? It sucks. Alright. Let's do this. Let's see. My brows are doing their own thing today. That they are. The sun is up. I'm gonna take out this makeup and go to treatment. Coffee stained teeth sucks. I think it goes perfect with the latte palette.